And so this is the paradigm shift that restorative justice calls us to. It centers harms and needs and obligations. It also addresses causes, root causes. How did we end up here? On all fronts, what were and by including family and community in these conversations, right? Ideally, we are bringing together the person who has caused the harm and the person who's experienced it for a dialogue where they are well supported by family and community and loved ones, people who are well resourced to sit in that circle, in that conversation, in that conference, to help come up with a plan to repair the harm. And that plan needs to look at root causes as well. And so this goes far beyond anything that our current systems of punishment and blame and separation really do to us. It's calling us in a whole new direction, or a whole old direction if you look at certain communities who've done this since time immemorial, right? That this was the way that you would heal a thing to make things right.